Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can sign up and create an account on Bybit and also get verified. So here you just want to click on sign up on Bybit and then do your standard procedures like setting up your email or your phone number, or just quickly just use your Google account. And now on here, once you created your account, let's get verified. So in here on your home page, you are going to see verify now, so you want to click that and click verify now again. And here just set your location, whichever country you live in, and then you got some different IDs here, so make sure you pick the most like available for you. So if you have a passport, I really recommend that, so since it's just one page and it's really quick for you to get verified. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out.